She's asking anyone who is going to listen to her, why is the government killing one tribe? That's the question that she's asking, including the South Sudanese. But because there are some double standards and hypocrisy and brainwashing that some of you South Sudanese have been put to by that genocidal and tribal government in Juba, you always deny that it has never happened. You as a mere citizen, just like me, who do not know what is happening inside their politics. We do not know how they run things. We can know the truth when somebody from them tell us what they are doing. Just like Mama Rebecca Nyandeng has told us right now and admitted that elements of the Dinka within the Kir regime were ordered to go and kill the Nuer people based on their ethnicity. So you as a mere citizen, how can you deny something like this? Is there anyone that will tell the truth apart from Mama Rebecca Nyandeng, who was inside their circles? No one else. It is not even only her that admitted the truth. We recently see a post from this genocidal chief of defense of SSPDF when she was fooling the South Sudanese that she gave warning and orders to immediately end ethnic cleansing or ethnic targeting. You cannot give orders to end something that has never been in existence and that has never happened. You give something to immediately end something that has been happening. So if there was no targeting, there was no way that Paul Nang could give orders to end something that has never happened. This tells you that ethnic cleansing has been happening. Ethnic targeting has been happening. And which ethnic group is being targeted? It is the Nuer themselves that Mama Rebecca Nyandeng just admitted on air right now. If you did not listen to her carefully, I want you to go back and listen to her. Don't be brainwashed by the Juba regime. At least admit the truth. It has already happened. And this trauma will never go away until it has been admitted. If people are still denying that ethnic targeting and ethnic cleansing has never happened, I'm telling you, South Sudan will never heal from this. And the trauma will go on for generations. And when there's a trauma, just like we have been mistreated by the Khartoum regime, that trauma is still going on today. And it's still affecting us today. The same thing will go on. And when there's a trauma, when there's something that's being put by a certain group of people, you know that that nation will never heal. I do understand that these JCE members, because we know South Sudan is being run by JCE, these people, they might have their reasons to ethnically cleanse the Nuer people. One could be that they may say that they have no blood relationship with the Nuer people. Even if they are killing these people, it is not their problem. That could be one. Secondly, they may see the Nuer people as a threat to their domination, and this could be the main reason. Because they say that they want to rule South Sudan for 100 years. If they see a certain ethnic group like the Nuer people as a threat, they may do whatever they want, just like they have done it right now. That could be the second reason. But there are some Nuer people, the Nuer will. These Nuer will, they are blood relatives, they are close relatives and sisters. They were murdered mercilessly in front of them. But still they deny that Nuer people were never killed by their genocidal government. What could be the reasons for this Nuer will to deny that Nuer people were never killed when a member, a very important member of a Dinka community admitted that yes, Nuer people were targeted by the Kir regime. But within the Nuer community, the Nuer will deny that. Those of Ezekiel Longatkos, those of Lul Raikong, those of Regai Kok, those of Tabandengai, those of Twitkel Galwak, those of James Osmai, mention them. This Nuer will, they are surviving on the blood of innocent Nuer people. Because there is no reason that a Nuer man would deny that Nuer people were targeted because of their ethnicity. It's only that a Nuer man who survived on the blood of innocent people can deny this, just like they have denied it. Those of Ngenmaintuil, mention them. There are many. These people, they are wasn't the elements of the Dinka people who carried out the atrocities. To my understanding and to my judgment, they are the wasn't the Dinka people, because these Dinka groups might have their reasons that I've just mentioned to carry out the atrocities. But what about this Nuer will? What is their reason to do this? What is their reason to deny? Because for these guys to deny that Nuer people were never killed will be used against and to suppress the truth. Because they will say, even the Nuer members themselves who were together with us, they say that we never killed the Nuer people. They will use this in the argument in case if there is anything like justice that happens, because this is not going to go like this. There will be a time justice will happen. And these people, they may use this Nuer will as the argument that we are together with the Nuer, but this Nuer, they know that we never kill anyone. They deny it. So these people, they are surviving on the blood of innocent Nuer people, and they are worse than the Dinka people who carried out the atrocities. That is my understanding. What is your understanding to this Nuer will? Do you think they are worse than the people who carried out the atrocities, or do you think the atrocities, the people who carried out the atrocities are worse